Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by collecting the exact Konami ID and any profile token tied to the Only Way service. This is the single authoritative identifier you will link. Once logged in, enable account linking and copy the ID string and token because mismatched characters break the process. Make sure to note platform and region codes. They guide the link endpoint. You move immediately to a secure workspace and prepare a small JSON payload template so you can paste values without retyping, reducing errors. You now assemble the link payload, a compact JSON including Konami ID, session token, platform, and region. Use exact field names and casing since the Only Way API is strict about keys. Once constructed, validate your JSON with a lightweight linter and confirm the API endpoint matches the service version. Then perform a dry run with a test header and a read-only method if available, because this prevents accidental overwrites. If headers require auth, include the token in the authorization header rather than in the body. You now post the validated payload to the Only Way link endpoint and watch for a 200 or 201 success code. That confirms the link. Once done, immediately get the linked profile to verify Konami ID, platform, and region all match expected values. If something fails, revoke the session token and use your rollback procedure. Correct the payload and retry with a fresh token to avoid stale state conflicts. One troubleshooting tip: if you get a validation error, compare exact field names and trim invisible characters.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.